Welcome. If you want to make Discord's text-to-speech notifications work only for specific channels on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Discord update, customizing TTS notifications is easier and more flexible than ever. Let's walk through the steps to set it up so you only hear TTS in the channels you care about most. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of the window. Here, you'll see your username and avatar. Right next to them is a small gear icon. Click this to open your user settings. Inside user settings, you'll find a menu on the left side. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to enter your notification preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the text-to-speech notification section. This is where you can control exactly how and where TTS messages are read aloud to you. You'll see three options: for all channels, for current selected channel, and never. To enable TTS notifications only for the channel you're currently viewing, choose for current selected channel. This means that only messages in the channel you have open will be read aloud using text-to-speech, keeping things focused and less distracting. Once you've selected this option, you're all set. From now on, whenever you're in a channel and someone uses the /TTS command, Discord will read the message out loud, but only in that specific channel. If you switch to another channel, TTS will only activate there if you have it open. This is perfect for keeping your notifications relevant and not overwhelming you with messages from every channel. So, to recap, open Discord, click the gear icon, go to Notifications, find Text-to-Speech Notifications, and select for current selected channel. That's all it takes to tailor your TTS experience on Discord. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with friends who want to make the most out of Discord's notification features. Enjoy your more personalized, streamlined Discord experience.